We began The Humble Penny years ago as a passion project to show others how we achieved financial independence, including mortgage-free in our 30s.
In a world of uncertainty and high cost of living, many people need to know how to build wealth for the future whilst also enjoying their lives and prioritizing their well-being. That's why we can finally announce that
we've written a book.
We never could have imagined it.
Financial Joy is a 10-week plan that will help you to turn your life around from small beginnings and design a life of financial freedom filled with the small experiences that bring you joy.
We know what it feels like to start from ground zero and try to build wealth with so many day-to-day challenges. In this step-by-step 10-week plan, you learn how to take control of your finances, develop good money habits, become debt-free, invest in assets, and multiply your income so you can create the freedom to travel, spend time with your loved ones, and plan for a stress-free early retirement.
Ahead of our book hitting the stores, pre-order Financial Joy today and support us by helping to spread the word to everyone you know. Your pre-orders really help to determine the success of the book.
Financial Joy is for everybody and is accessible to you now, not later. Start today to grow your money and create a life you love.